that before. Woo! Done! Oh. I'm tired. I'm about to swallow you guys, but it's not gonna happen because I felt it wise for me to actually clean my freezer. How many of you guys actually just stay and defrost your freezer and clean it out and know things that you are eating or things that you're looking for? I feel like I have something underneath the freezer that I haven't eaten for the whole year. So I'm trying to bring them up and put them on top and actually arrange my vegetables on one side, my chicken on one side, goat on one side, beef on one side, so I could actually get it out properly, because 2021 is not going to stress me. I'm walking into 2021 with joy, happiness, gladness. I'm receiving open doors, achievement, blessing, double everything. I'm telling you. So I'm getting ready for it, planning for it. So let me show you guys what my freezer looks like at the moment. I just defrosted it. What my freezer looks like. All the frosts. See the water. I'm gonna start taking out all the water from here, building out stuff. See, I still have cheese that I haven't eaten, so I have to arrange that on the cheese section and all of that and get all my stuff out. I have vegetables. This is chopped spinach. I didn't eat this one from last year. I have to arrange them on top so I can eat them. So that before. Woo! Done. Told you I'm gonna get it. Boom. All clean. This is what you do once a month. Not because you're in America or in a foreign country where they have like 24/7 doesn't mean you're not supposed to clean your freezer once a month and then rearrange them so you know where you can find your meat, your goat, your beef, your chicken, your fish. I'm gonna get to arranging, and I will show you guys once I am done. First I need to clean it. This has vinegar. I put some vinegar in it and a little bit of bleach to get out whatever bacteria, whatever anything. Guys, you know what's going on right now, and because of that, you don't know who is handling our food, so we need to make sure our refrigerator is clean. All this nasty stuff needs to go. See all the nasty stuff there? They need to go. They need to be clean. We are not perfect. We are not a clean freak, but we just need to arrange it so we can stay out of the hospital and stay healthy. Boom! So I basically just get beans. See all the beans right here, and stack them here. I have chicken, here goat, here beef, here pork, here veggies, here more of like herbs, and here seafood, shrimp, crab. You know this, Mbe. If you know this, raise up your hand. Shrimp, raw shrimp, fish, all seafood is here. And this is turkey for Christmas. So I just have all of these like this, and I'm gonna stack them up in the freezer clean and ready, waiting for all of this. So you see how I categorize them. It's easy for me to stack them up. Show you when I'm done stacking them up. Arrange your deep freezer with $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. This is $3, $5, $3, $9, guys. Arrange your fridge with $9. So see how nice it is. Nice and yummy. All arranged. We'll put them in the freezer, and it's easier to pick up when you need it. Okay. So I am done. See how they fit? So when I want to pull something out, I only just put the bean I need, the seafood. I put my beans in the freezer. I know, because I don't want ants. I live in South Florida where I don't want ants. See how they all fit? All the beans and my beans fit. and they close comfortably. So my fridge, see, fridge is well organized now. I look like a bougie girl. I have all my herbs in the ziplocs like this. I can just sort through them. You see how they are stacked, 1 2 3 in the bottom, same way 1 2 3 right here, this one and this one, comfortably. You learn how to organize yourself. And if I have things that are really slightly, I can just push them here and push them right out. So I don't have to be digging for stuff. 2021 with a difference. Oh shit, okay. Not going shopping until I eat everything in my freezer. That bulk shopping that I did from the African food store is what's gonna carry me till I have no more food to eat. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We are on the budgets. Always on the budget. Always gonna be on the budget. Always gonna be on the budget. Always gonna be on the. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Whatever you want. Put a comment in the comment section. I am so blessed. I am so excited that you join me to watch this video today, and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see on our channel. And bye bye.